Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you to get a Legend of Slime modded version, guys, which gives you unlimited resources here, as you guys can see. So just keep watching the video. I'm going to show you guys how to download this. It works on iPhone and Android. It is super cool, guys. So if you like Legend of Slime, then you probably would like a modded version that gives you unlimited resources, wouldn't you? So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download that. It actually works, guys. It's super crazy. So if you like Legend of Slime, you're going to love this tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this right now. So let's get right into the video, guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you exactly to get the Legend of Slime modded version, which gives you unlimited resources. So keep watching the video. You can see I'm maxed out on all of these, which is pretty crazy. So what you want to do, guys, is just go to the search bar. We're going to go to Google, and we're just going to type in Zoomods, alright? And then basically we come over to this website, and then we're going to go to the search bar, and we're just going to go ahead and type in Legend of Slime, alright? So let me just do that right here. So I'm just going to type Legend of Slime, and as you can see, guys, Legend of Slime mod. So just press download and you're good to go, guys. So I hope you like the video. Definitely go ahead, try it out for yourself, get the word out, because this actually works, guys. It's super insane, and I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So I hope you liked my video, guys. This is insane, and it actually does not even require a jailbreak, which is crazy, and I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. So yeah, this is cool, and it is working right now, guys. So if this video worked for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it and just get the word out about this method. It's super cool, guys, and there's no need to even jailbreak a device. Like, you don't have to do that if you don't feel comfortable, guys. Like, that's it. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself, get the word out. I love Legend of Slime. It's one of my games that I play regularly, guys, so it's super insane that we can actually get this. Like, what the heck? Dang. So yeah, this is working, guys, right now. So I hope you liked the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself, get the word out. It actually works, so it's pretty cool. So yeah, if you like my video, definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. There's no need to jailbreak or use a computer, so that is cool. And all we have to do is go to Google, go to Zoomods, and then go over to the website, and then just type in Legend, and then there it is. So